Learn how to become a Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert for Server 2012 and achieve international certificate. The globally recognized standard for IT professionals. The Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert, that is MCSE, server infrastructure certification validates that you have the skills needed to run a highly efficient and modern data center. With expertise in identity management, system management, virtualization, storage, and networking. Earning an MCSE server infrastructure certification will qualify you for jobs such as computer support specialist and information security analyst. The target audience are students, anyone who wants to learn a new Microsoft Suite programs. Any student who have completed their school study up to 10th or college study up to 12th or 15th are eligible for these course modules regardless of any stream. Professionals. This course is intended for information technology, that is IT professionals who have some knowledge and experience working with Windows operating systems and who want to acquire the skills and knowledge necessary to install and perform the initial configuration of Windows Server 2012 or Windows Server 2012 R2 server in an existing Windows Server environment. Typically, candidates who are interested in attending this course include Windows Server administrators who are relatively new to Windows Server administration and related technologies, who are looking to learn more about Windows Server 2012 and Windows Server 2012 R2. IT professionals who are experienced in other non-Microsoft technologies, who meet the course prerequisites and are looking to cross-train on Windows Server 2012 and Windows Server 2012 R2. IT professionals who are looking to take the Microsoft Certified Solution Expert, that is MCSE exams. IT professionals who want to take the Microsoft Certified Solution Expert MCSE exams in data center, desktop infrastructure, messaging, collaboration, and communications will also be interested in taking this course as they prepare for Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate, that is MCSE exams. Prerequisites. Students or anyone who wants to learn a new Microsoft Suite program. Before attending this course, student must have first, a basic knowledge of general computing concept. Second, some experience working with Windows client operating systems such as Windows 7 or Windows 8 professionals. This course requires that professionals meet the following prerequisites, including that they have first, an understanding of networking fundamentals. Second, an understanding of basic AGDS concepts. Third, an awareness and understanding of security best practices. Fourth, basic knowledge of server hardware. Fifth, experience working with and configuring Windows client operating systems such as Windows 7 or Windows 8. Additionally, student would benefit from having some previous Windows Server operating system experience. Course objectives are get hands-on instructions and practice installing the configuring Windows Server 2012, including Windows Server 2012 R2. This course is a part 1 in series of 5 courses that provide the skills and knowledge necessary to implement a core Windows Server 2012 infrastructure in an existing enterprise environment. The 5 courses collectively cover implementing, managing, maintaining, and provisioning services and infrastructure in Windows Server 2012 environment. Although there is some crossover of skills and tasks across these courses, this course focuses on initial implementation and configuration of core services such as networking, storage, Active Directory Domain Services, that is ADDS, group policy, file and print services, and Hyper-V and many other important topics. This course maps directly to and is preferred choice for hands-on preparation for Microsoft Certified Solution Expert, that is MCSE. Labs in this course are based on Windows Server 2012 R2 and Windows 8.1. This is a diagram to understand how to obtain or achieve or become a MCSE certified. There are two steps involved to achieve MCSE 2012 certification. First, you need to obtain Microsoft Certified Solution Associate Certificate, that is MCSE, as shown in above diagram. There are total 3 core exams to achieve MCSE examinations. First, installing and configuring Windows Server 2012. Second, administering Windows Server 2012. Third, configuring advanced Windows Server 2012 services. When you will complete with MCSE training and examination to achieve MCSE, that is Microsoft Certified Solution Expert certification, you have 2 different tracks. First, Advanced Server Infrastructure Certificate. Second, Messaging Server 2003 certificate. To achieve server infrastructure certificates, you need to complete your training and examination for: first, designing and implementing a server infrastructure. Second, implementing an advanced server infrastructure. To achieve Messaging Server 2013 certificates, you need to complete your training and examination for: first, Core Solutions of Microsoft Exchange Server 2013. Second, Advanced Solution of Microsoft Exchange Server 2013. Table of Contents. Installing and configuring Windows Server 2012 410. This is a 1-week course for 64 hours. Module 1. Deploying and managing Windows Server 2012. This module introduces students to the additions of Windows Server 2012 and the new Windows Server 2012 management tools. It also covers how to install Windows Server 2012, how to perform post-deployment tasks, and how to perform basic administrative tasks. Lessons. First, Windows Server 2012 overview. Second, installing Windows Server 2012. Third, post-installation configuration of Windows Server 2012. Fourth, overview of Windows Server 2012 management. Fifth, introduction to Windows PowerShell. Lab. Deploying and managing Windows Server 2012. All these topics given in these labs are practical part. First, deploying Windows Server 2012. Second, configuring Windows Server 2012 server core. Third, managing servers. Fourth, using Windows PowerShell to manage servers. After completing this module, students will be able to: first, describe Windows Server 2012. Second, install Windows Server 2012. Third, perform post-installation configuration of Windows Server 2012. Fourth, describe the management tools available in Windows Server 2012. Fifth, perform basic administrative tasks using Windows PowerShell. Module 2. Introduction to Active Directory Domain Services. This module covers structure of Active Directory Domain Services, that is ADDS, and its various components such as forest, domain, and organization units, that is OUs. It also gives an overview of domain controllers, in addition to choices that are available with Windows Server 2012 for installing ADDS on a server. Lessons. First, overview of ADDS. Second, overview of domain controllers. Third, installing a domain controllers. Labs included in these modules are: first, installing a domain controller. Second, installing a domain controller by using IFM. After completing this module, student will be able to describe the structure of ADDS, describe the purpose of domain controllers, install a domain controller.